Februari season 4 kacing petip nam ta itu ki Kwah ban lek Pule master hapo Nehu not Eastern Hill University te ka admission notice ki 8 Mei then play kat kom kane ka notice application prescribed from are invited for admission in the Northeastern Hill University for the session 2024-25 for the following course of study. Te kan mau kita Kwah ban lek Pule master te ki haban appear ru ia ka PG CUET entrance test terada claim don ka score card jong ka CUET mun ba claim la ban apply nam ta kini course jong ka master pe ke bade po Shillong campus ki badon hang te ki don master of arts in anthropology, lifelong learning and extension, economics, education, English, folkloristic, geography, history, Hindi, journalism, khasi, linguistic, philosophy, political science, sociology, kemudian ki arts, kemudian kesantali, kemudian science, anthropology, botany, chemistry, biochemistry, environmental science, geography, mathematics, physics, statistics, zoology, geology, kemudian Kwah like Pule MTech, rodon, electronics and communication engineering, information technology, nanotechnology, biomedical engineering, Kwah ban Pule kini kui master program rodon, master of education M.Ed, master of law LLM, master in library and information science, and master of commerce M.Com te ki diploma course kidon kumalai teli PG diploma in painting, PG diploma in music, PG diploma in geoinformatics on the Department of Geography. Kini dia po Shillong campus. Kepada po Tura campus pat kedan ka MA in English Education, Garo, History and Archaeology, Master of Social Work, MSW. Mat nampak science pada kedan ka Rural Development and Agricultural Production, Horticulture, Forestry, but Food Technology. Students who have passed and appear in the final year graduation examination and awaiting the result are eligible to apply. Kibadang up result ru kila aban apply. All applicants for master degree program must have valid PG CUET score. Kan mau ngolong ba pide bandon baik ya ka PG CUET score net le ben attend baik ya ka CUET entrance. Applicants are requested to apply only for this course mentioned above. Itu bila mention sejurang. Te da Kwah ban page ba na Kwah ban yo egite bakhamne pila ban le hi po official website jonggan nehu.ac.in ngasabu ru kan link po description te namta kanne ka last date for submission of application kan day arpsau trik July arjar arpsau te Kwah ban apply selen okoloi website ka nehu.ac.in te namta kanne phap siuru ya ka by application by apply. Students applying for Master of Arts, Master of Science, and other master program and PG diploma course are requested to apply online. Apply online on payment of rupees 500 and rupees 250 for SC/ST category, and for MTech program the fee is 800 and 400 for SC/ST category, and the payment will be made online using UPI. Online. The second month, the admission fee is not refundable. Second mau kita kebelah tho eka entrance test jong ka CET te Kwah ban apply nak loy ka last date kan day after 3 July te sel check apo ka website nam ta ban apply online yang sebut ke link apo ka description nam ta ban check lagi website baru apply online. Tangi ni jom tip creation.